versus Le Creuset, two legendary cookware brands that have dominated kitchen conversations for decades. But here's what the cookware industry doesn't want you to know. These two brands aren't even competing in the same category. You've been comparing apples to oranges this entire time. And the brand you think is better might actually be completely wrong for how you cook. So what's the real difference between these two premium cookware giants? Which one actually delivers better performance when you're standing at the stove? And more importantly, which brand deserves a spot in your kitchen based on how you actually cook at home? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cookware belongs in your collection, and the answer might completely change how you think about building your kitchen. Let's start with the heavyweight champion of stainless steel. All-Clad has been the gold standard of American cookware since 1971. They literally invented the bonded metal technology that revolutionized how professional chefs cook. Walk into any restaurant kitchen in America, and you'll see their signature stainless steel pans. They've spent over 50 years perfecting heat distribution and durability. Then there's Le Creuset, the French icon that's been crafting cookware since 1925. But here's what most people miss. Le Creuset built their entire reputation on enameled cast iron, not stainless steel. Those gorgeous, colorful Dutch ovens your grandmother treasured? That's Le Creuset's wheelhouse. Their stainless steel line came much later, almost as an afterthought. Both brands command premium prices, both promise professional-grade performance, both will put a serious dent in your wallet. But let's not pretend these two brands are interchangeable. They represent fundamentally different cooking philosophies, and choosing between them means deciding what kind of cook you want to be. Here's where things get controversial. When most people say Le Creuset, they're picturing those beautiful flame orange Dutch ovens. When they say All-Clad, they're imagining gleaming stainless steel skillets. These aren't competing products. They're entirely different tools designed for completely different cooking techniques. All-Clad's stainless steel cookware excels at rapid heat response. You turn up the flame and the pan reacts instantly, perfect for searing steaks, sautéing vegetables, making pan sauces. The tri-ply and 5-ply constructions distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface, eliminating hot spots that burn your food. Le Creuset's enameled cast iron operates on the opposite principle. It heats slowly, retains heat stubbornly, and maintains temperature even when you add cold ingredients. Perfect for braises, stews, soups, and anything that benefits from long, slow cooking. That massive thermal mass keeps temperatures rock steady for hours. So why do people keep comparing them? Because both brands have expanded beyond their core strengths. Le Creuset now makes stainless steel, All-Clad ventured into Dutch ovens, and suddenly consumers are confused about which brand actually does what better. Here's where the arguments get heated. All-Clad fans insist their cookware outperforms Le Creuset in every measurable way. Heat distribution tests consistently show All-Clad's aluminum and copper cores spread heat more evenly than cast iron. Independent testing reveals that All-Clad pans reach cooking temperature faster and respond to heat adjustments more quickly. Le Creuset defenders counter that raw performance metrics miss the point entirely. Cooking isn't about speed, it's about results. And for techniques like braising beef bourguignon or simmering Sunday gravy, Le Creuset's heat retention creates flavors that quick heating stainless steel simply cannot replicate. The uncomfortable truth: both sides are correct. All-Clad genuinely performs better for high-heat, quick cooking techniques. Le Creuset genuinely performs better for low and slow cooking methods. The better brand depends entirely on what you're cooking tonight.
Now let's talk about something nobody mentions in the marketing materials. Le Creuset cookware is brutally heavy. A 5-quart Le Creuset Dutch oven weighs over 10 pounds empty. Add food and you're lifting 15+ pounds every time you move it from stove to oven. For some cooks, that heft feels substantial and reassuring. The weight translates to heat retention and durability. These pots will outlive you if you treat them right. Your grandchildren will inherit them. For others, especially those with wrist issues or anyone who cooks frequently, that weight becomes a genuine problem. Maneuvering a heavy pot while it's full of hot liquid is no joke. All-Clad stainless steel equivalents weigh roughly half as much, making them far more practical for daily cooking. Professional chefs often prefer lighter pans because they're constantly moving cookware around busy kitchens. That weight difference adds up fast during an 8-hour shift. Many home cooks discover the same thing after a few months of regular use. Here's the question that really matters for a purchase this expensive.
which cookware lasts longer? Le Creuset's enameled cast iron can literally last generations with proper care. The enamel protects the cast iron from rust, and the thick construction resists warping. But that enamel has a weakness. It can chip or crack if dropped or exposed to extreme temperature changes. Once the enamel chips, the underlying cast iron becomes vulnerable. All-Clad stainless steel takes abuse that would destroy enameled cookware. You can use metal utensils without worry. You can drop it without catastrophic damage. The stainless steel develops scratches and discoloration over time, but these are cosmetic issues that don't affect cooking performance. Both brands offer lifetime warranties. Both will last decades with reasonable care. But the failure modes differ significantly. Le Creuset fails catastrophically when it fails. All-Clad degrades gradually and gracefully. All right, let's cut through the marketing and get to what actually matters when you're building a functional kitchen. All-Clad stainless steel excels at everyday cooking tasks. Searing proteins, building pan sauces, sautéing vegetables, making pasta. These pans heat quickly, respond instantly to temperature changes, and clean up relatively easily. For the cooking techniques most home cooks use most often, All-Clad delivers exceptional performance. Le Creuset enameled cast iron excels at specific cooking applications: braises, stews, soups, bread baking, anything requiring steady temperature over long periods. These pieces are specialized tools that perform their specific tasks brilliantly. They're also gorgeous enough to serve food directly at the table. Here's what emerges after years of cooking with both. Most home cooks need more stainless steel than cast iron. A quality skillet, a saucepan, and a sauté pan handle probably 80% of cooking tasks. A Dutch oven handles specific applications that nothing else does quite as well. So which brand actually wins? Here's my honest recommendation based on how real kitchens actually function. Choose All-Clad if you're building a complete cookware collection from scratch. Their stainless steel handles the broadest range of cooking techniques, responds intuitively to heat adjustments, and weighs little enough for comfortable daily use. Start with their D3 line for exceptional performance without the premium price of their copper core options. Choose Le Creuset if you're adding a Dutch oven to an existing collection, if you regularly braise meats or make soups and stews, or if you value cookware beautiful enough to display and serve from. Their enameled cast iron remains unmatched for its specific applications. Just understand you're buying a specialized tool, not an everyday workhorse. Here's the bottom line. All-Clad and Le Creuset aren't really competitors. They're complementary tools designed for different purposes. The best-equipped kitchens often contain both. All-Clad stainless steel for daily cooking, and a Le Creuset Dutch oven for specific applications. Stop thinking about which brand is better and start thinking about which tools your cooking actually requires. That mindset shift will help you build a kitchen that actually serves how you cook, rather than just displaying prestigious brand names. What's in your kitchen? Team All-Clad, Team Le Creuset, or both? Drop a comment and let us know which brand you rely on most. If this comparison helped clarify your thinking, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest cookware breakdowns. We cut through the marketing hype so you can invest in tools that actually improve your cooking. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.